Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are not a subscriber, I hope this video is interesting enough to get you to subscribe to my channel. If you are a current subscriber, welcome back. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and leave a comment below. So what I'm going to be doing today is a video on oil cleansing and the oil cleansing method. So basically the idea is to clean your pores with different types of oils. Typically the oils that are used for oil cleansing are olive oil and castor oil, and the ratios are typically 1 to 1. However, it is recommended that if you have oilier skin to use more jojoba oil, and if you have drier skin to use a little more olive oil. There are other types of oils that you can utilize. So you can use, I believe, apricot oil, you can use sunflower oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and depending on your skin type, different oils are better or not. So I will list or put in a picture so that you can see what oils would work for your skin. And we are just gonna get right into it. So watch me oil cleanse. All right, so to get into it, I am going to try to use equal parts of each oil. So I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in my hand. Just gonna pour a little bit in my hand. Oh Lord, I poured a lot. And then I'm gonna pour a little bit of jojoba oil, and then I'm gonna add some castor oil. I will link the products that I use down on the description, so that way you guys can see the products that I have. The olive oil is just regular olive oil that you buy. And then the jojoba oil I got off of Amazon, and then the black castor oil I got off of Amazon. So this is the oil that I have. Oh, Lord, I'm dripping. This is the oil that I have. And I'm making a mess, but all for beauty, right? All right, so I'm gonna rub my face. And I'm gonna do this for about 15 minutes. One thing, it does not smell too good, but we'll see how my face feels afterwards. As you can see, my face turns really red. My face is very sensitive, so I'm trying to be gentle while I'm rubbing it. But I hear this is really good for your skin because a lot of these oils have really great potency in regards to skin. And I hear that oil cleansing is actually part of like a K beauty routine. Sorry, I'm like looking at the camera to see my face. But I hear that it's part of like the K beauty routine, and that a lot of people tend to do it, and that you get like sometimes oil plugs that come out on your skin. I've never had it, so we'll see if I actually get it. So basically, the idea is just for you to continuously rub your face, and hopefully that will take out all of the trapped oils or anything that's on your skin. If I do feel anything pop up, I will definitely show you guys. Right now, I don't feel really anything or much of anything. It does feel like really smooth on my skin. It's like gliding. I'm trying to see if I'm getting any of those oil plugs, but I really don't feel any of it. All right, guys, I'm just speeding up this portion for you. This is just me basically doing the same thing, just rubbing the oils across my face. I just wanted to go into a little more detail as to what oil cleansing is. Basically, it's the method that balances the oil production. It heals acne, melts your makeup off your skin while nourishing and hydrating your skin. So it's supposed to leave your skin feeling silky and smooth after you're done oil cleansing. Like I said, I will post a picture of the oil cleansing method, or rather the oils that you can utilize on your skin while you're oil cleansing. But just to name a few, if you have oily skin, good oils to use are castor oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil. If you have acne prone skin, castor or hazelnut oils, argan oil, hemp seed oil, and neem oil. And then I'll list the other oils that you can use, such for anti-aging, for dry skin, and for irritated skin. So that way you guys can kind of have just a visual of what oils you can utilize. Basically, the benefits of oil cleansing are that it deep cleans impurities and it helps take away dead skin cells, which leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. Okay guys, so I've been oil cleansing for 15 minutes, about 15 minutes right now. So I am going to just wash my face off with a rag and cleanse it, and then I will come back to show you guys how my skin feels after oil cleansing for 15 minutes. So I will let you guys know after I get back how my skin feels after doing the oil cleanse. Hey guys, so I'm back. So essentially what I did is after I oil cleansed, I took the rest of the oil off with a face cloth. I wiped it all off, and then I utilized CeraVe's foaming facial cleanser just to get off the extra oil that was on my skin. My skin feels more supple and it feels very just clean and smooth. And it feels like it's prepared for like my nighttime beauty products that I utilized. So I haven't done obviously oil cleansing enough to say definitively if it will help my skin. So I do plan on continuing to do it to see if it's makes any difference, and I can always update you guys and let you guys know. Like I said, I will link the products down below that I utilized. The castor oil, the jojoba oil, and like I said, the olive oil is just regular olive oil that you can buy at the grocery store. I did have like 100%. I didn't get like mixed olive oil because I wasn't sure how that was going to work on my skin. So I got just regular olive oil that didn't have like anything extra in it, 100% natural. And I will update you guys on it. But like I said, as of right now, my skin feels very smooth. I do feel like I may have gotten oil plugs out because as I was doing it, I felt like grainy pieces, and I didn't have anything on my face before, so I didn't know where those grains came from. So I'm assuming they're probably the oil plugs that are coming out, the trapped sebum that's coming out. But my skin does feel very clean. So, I would recommend it to anyone who wants to try. Like they say, you can't knock it till you try it. So if you guys are interested in it, I think that it's a good idea to try it out to see if it works for you. You may have to try it a couple of times just to kind of see if it's going to give you any real results. But I plan on doing it a couple of times to see if I will get any good results for my skin, and then I can always update you guys on that. And like I said, if you are new to my channel, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And if you are already a subscriber, I look forward to making more videos for you guys, and thank you all for watching. Bye.